Hi everyone, it's Lola. We're here in the customer right now. It's Saturday. Like I said, we've been working 6 days a week lately, and I'm getting ready to back up this truck in the dock, at the customer dock, and it's 45 degrees set up. I don't know if you guys be able to see it and the angle, but my husband gonna try so hard to give me a good shoot, a good video anyway. Well, we'll see. Come on. I'll be posting all the time on Pinay Lola Trackers blog. That's my YouTube. I'll be on the YouTube lately. Thank you.
She's gonna try to put it in these dock doors right here.
That's how you do it. Mga Pinay. Back in right here at the dock. Yun lang. Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo. I was just wanna show you guys how to back up in the dock to the customer dock or the parking, you know, truck stop. And it was really tight because look, show it to them. Look how tight I back up between trailers. Okay? That's the example. Come on, Filipina. Let's do it.